When it comes to logic games, I find myself, I will read the rules. I understand the rules. I diagram it correctly. When it gets to the questions, I feel like I don't apply like what they're asking like correctly. Like I have an example. It's a tiered ordering game. In June 2013, it was a question. So I know you have to like kind of find something that will replace that rule that will give you the same effect. But for some reason, I still couldn't like connect it and just diagram it. I don't know. It was just really confusing. So
yeah, so it sounds like you're asking about rule substitution or rule equivalency questions. They're asking which one of the following, if substituted for the original rule, would have an identical effect, changing nothing at all.
Yes.
These seem tough, and they were only introduced fairly recently, starting with exam number 57, which is from June 2009.
Okay.
So they started back then. They've appeared on nearly every exam since then. And because they appear so infrequently, only once per exam, and they weren't even prior to 57, people feel like they're strange and different. In reality, they're not that different. They're just unfamiliar because they're rare. So what I would suggest for you, once again, as an exercise, is to do several of these in a row. So exams 57 through 66, let's say. Do the 10 logic games containing those specific questions. For each game, do the setup for the game, diagram the rules, make your inferences, and then do only that single question associated. So you're doing these by type. You're not doing the other questions in the game. You're not doing the others in the sections. What you're doing is you're just allowing yourself to see the common patterns associated with solving this question type. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.